So here we're given this table that shows us the breakdown of how 100 voters responded to a question regarding candidates M and N. And so here each row adds up to 100, and this is how 40 people gave favorable, said favorable about candidate M, 20 unfavorable, and 40 unsure. And same thing for candidate N. The question is, what was the number of candidates who responded favorable for both candidates? You know, there's some kind of an overlap here. The best way to think about this is using a Venn diagram. So if this is all voters, and so this is 100, then we know that 40 of the voters said favorable to candidate M, and here it's 30. And if you look at statement 1, it says the number of voters who did not respond favorable for either candidate was 40. So the region outside these two circles is 40, and this consists of voters who did not respond favorable. And that's going to be a combination of unfavorable and not sure. We don't know that breakdown, but we do know that a total of 40 said some combination of unfavorable and not sure. That means that what's remaining here is 60. Now, if the overlap is x, then this region is 40 minus x, and this is 30 minus x. So the relationship we have is 60 is equal to the sum of these three regions. And that becomes 70 minus x is 60, and that gives me x is 10. So we do know that 10 of the voters responded favorable for both candidates. So statement 1 alone is sufficient. If you look at statement 2, it says the number of voters who responded unfavorable for both candidates was 10. So again, if we apply that same approach, and this would be just unfavorable. And so this is 20, this is 35. That region is 10, which means people who gave unfavorable to M only and not to N would be 10, and this is 25. So this outside region here, if I add these three, that's 45, this is 55. And that's a combination of voters who said favorable and not sure. Now the question is about number of voters who responded favorable for both candidates here. And statement 2 really doesn't tell us anything about that overlap. So 2 alone is insufficient. And statement 1 alone is sufficient. So the answer is choice A.